Hello guys, welcome to Veganics. Bluetooth APK Robot Kit Experiment number 1. This is our hardware. Need USB A to B and laptop. Open Arduino. I am not write the code because it make video long, but I explain it. Let me open the file. Here I define LED 1 and its pin number 2. LED 1 pin number 2, LED 2 pin number 4, LED 3 pin number 7, LED 4 pin number 8. Here it is a setup function which is execute at once only to initialize some code. There is a pin mode function where we declare component is input or output. In this case LED is output. This is the reason why we take LED as high initially. Our hardware is designed in such a way high act as 0, low act as 1. Serial dot begin 9600 define the baud rate of the Bluetooth. Incar is a character variable where we store the command received from the Android via Bluetooth. Next is loop function. Loop function is used to execute the code again and again in a loop. Loop is a function where we write the main code which performs some specific task. If serial.available function greater than 0 is used to check the Bluetooth is receiving the data or not. Serial.read function read the serial data and store it into the incar variable. Incar double equal to A. If it is yes, then LED 1 goes low. Low means 1. Else if incar double equal to B, then LED 1 goes high. High means 0. Bluetooth APK Robot Kit is designed in such a way low means 1, high means 0. Else if incar double equal to C, LED 2 goes low. And in second line, else if incar double equal to D, LED 2 high. Incar double equal to E, LED 3 low. Incar double equal to F, LED 3 high. Incar double equal to G, LED 4 low. Incar double equal to H, LED 4 high. Delay of 10 milliseconds. Program for 10 milliseconds. Now connect the Bluetooth APK Robot Kit to the laptop. Before connecting the hardware to the laptop, please remove Bluetooth module because the same pin of RX TX of Arduino and Bluetooth. Now connect to the PC. Now compile the program. Before uploading the program to the hardware, please check the board and port number of the Arduino. Select Arduino Nano. Select old bootloader. and select the port according to your hardware. Now upload the program. This is the indication of Bluetooth module ready to connect. Come to the mobile. Go to the Bluetooth settings. Turn on your Bluetooth. Click on Search for devices. Select the available device HC05 and pair it by typing 1234 and press enter. Now open the Bluetooth APK app. Click on Bluetooth icon, select HC05. Now it is connected to the hardware. Come to the hardware. Now it's time to do experiment number first. Turn on the first LED from Bluetooth app. Turn off it. Second one, turn off it. Third one, turn off it. Fourth one, and turn off it. This is the simple LED on off via Bluetooth.